We have a question wherein if a line y equals to mx plus c is a tangent to the circle. So this is the equation of circle x minus 3 whole square plus y square equals to 1, and it is perpendicular to the line L1, where line L1 is a tangent to another circle x square plus y square is equals to 1 at the point 1 by root 2 comma 1 by root 2. Then let's see. For this circle x square plus y square equals to 1, the center would be 0 comma 0 and the radius would be 1 clearly. Differentiating it with respect to y, we get 2x plus 2y dash equals to 0, or y dash equals to minus x upon y, which is basically the equation for the slope. So the slope of tangent to x square plus y square is equals to 1 at 1 by root 2 comma root 2 is basically put in these values at y equals to minus x upon y, which gives us minus 1. So this is the slope for the first one. And similarly, the slope of tangent to x minus 3 whole square plus y square is equals to 1 is 1. So the slope for the second one is m equals to 1. Now the tangent to the circle x minus 3 whole square plus y square is equals to 1 is y equals to x plus c as written in the question. So the perpendicular distance of this tangent y equals to x plus c from the center of the circle, which is 3 comma 0. Center of this circle basically x minus 3 whole square plus y square is equals to 1. So the center is clearly 3 comma 0. So the perpendicular distance of this tangent line y equals to x plus c from 3 comma 0 is equal to the radius, obviously. So if this is the circle, this is the center of the circle, which is 3 comma 0 in this case, and let this is the tangent to the circle. So this is the point, and this is the distance between the center and the point. So according to the theorem, a tangent is always perpendicular to the angle between the surface of the circle and tangent. So basically the perpendicular distance is the radius of the circle. This is the radius of the circle, which is 1 in this case. So putting these values in this equation, y equals to x plus c, y is 0, x is 3, we get 3 plus mod of 3 plus c. So formula to find the perpendicular distance is basically from a point A comma B to a line ax plus by plus c is basically putting the values of a and b in that equation. We get 3 plus c upon under root of a square plus b square, which is basically the coefficients of x and y in this equation, which is both 1, so under root 1 plus 1, which is root 2, and mod of this whole thing equals to 1. So further simplifying it, this mod opens two ways, plus and minus, and we get c plus 3 equals to plus minus root 2. So we take the positive one, which is c plus 3 plus root 2, and squaring this on both sides, we get c square plus 6c plus 9 equals to 2. And we further evaluate, c square plus 6c plus 7 equals to 0, which is the answer.